Do you find yourself playing the same drum fills over and over again? When you try a new drum fill, do you find yourself always going out of time? Or do you just not know where to put your drum fills? Oh, now I have a solution to all of those problems. I have created a 28-day bootcamp called Fill with Freedom, and yes, you can solve all of those problems in less than a month. You have daily videos with me, and all the guesswork is taken out of it because all you have to do is sit down and play along, because I play through the whole thing. So you can have support the whole way, no more questioning what you should or shouldn't be practicing. And don't worry, it's not just boring pad work or random exercises, it's actually playing along with music so you have some real context. Most people get stuck with this kind of thing because they don't have in-person support. So we have solved that problem by giving you weekly workshops with me so you can get direct feedback on your playing, as well as meeting loads of other lovely drummers who are in the same position as you. And on top of that, you have the drum support line, which means you can send in videos and audio to a drum tutor and you can get feedback in between your live sessions. And lastly, as if all the rest wasn't enough, you have 2 one-on-one lessons with a tutor so you can iron out any issues that may be arising, any bad technique, anything that might stop you from achieving your goal. Now, as one final incentive, if you get through all 28 days, you go through all the lessons, you will get your money back. 100% guaranteed, results or not. I really, really want you to succeed. And a lot of people need a strong incentive to do that, and I can't think of a stronger incentive than getting your money back. To clarify, this course will not teach you how to play fills like this. What it will teach you to do, however, is all the skills you need to be able to start playing like that. Playing in time, coming up with your own creative fills, and also what sticking you should be using when you do it. You're also developing the coordination to be able to do any of that stuff. So it's just going to sort you out all round. So if you're interested in finally being able to play your own fills in time around the kit, check out the link that is in our bio and you can find out some more information.